Ramakrishna Mission Ashram, Morabadi, Ranchi, in collaboration with Indian Yoga Association and Lions Club International, is organizing essay, quiz and recitation competition for all students from class 3 to PhD and including all teachers and all others of Jharkhand. Quiz both in Hindi and English. Teachings of Swami Vivekananda based on the book Naya Bharat Gado in Hindi and Rebuilt India in English, and general knowledge, current affairs and mathematics for the students, citizens of 4 groups, that is class 3 to 5 chapter 1, class 6 to 8 chapter 1 and 2, and class 9 to 12 chapter 1, 2 and 3, and 4th category is the students of college and universities and others, whole book. Next comes the recitation. Offline and online in Hindi only. 2 groups comes here, class 5 to 7 and class 8 to 10 in Hindi only. The topic of the recitation shall be Swadesh Mantra of Swami Vivekananda. First, second and third winners of first competition at school level shall have to reappear in the second level, which is to be organized at the district level. Again, the first, second and third winners of the district level shall have to reappear in the state level only. Lastly, the essay competition, which is to be done in online Hindi and English both. Here also 2 groups is there. First, teachers of any educational institution, and second is open to all in Hindi and English. The topic of essay writing shall be from the book Naya Bharat Gado in Hindi and Rebuild India in English. Subject points of the essay competition shall be chapters of this book with introduction and conclusion. Essays of first, second and third winners of competition at district level will be promoted to the state level. Essay written in Hindi and English within 800 to 1000 words or within 2 to 3 pages of A4 sheet paper, which is to be uploaded in the website portal or to be submitted to the respective district level organization by hand or